rather than using the monocoque method that I dislike so much. Beemer supports this structure with a composite frame that uses tubular steel members and aluminum castings for the actual frame, with the battery box used as a stressed member to stiffen the assembly. The box itself comes with a cooling channel that runs down the middle to help prevent a battery-killing buildup of heat from occurring. Right up front, the suspension gives this ride away as something extraordinary. A set of 40mm UST forks support the front end with a whopping 4.7 inches of travel. The monoshock in back gives up almost as much travel with 4.5 inches, and it comes with a obligatory spring preload adjuster as the only ride quality tweak on the chassis. Since it weighs in at 606 pounds curb weight and it has such solid acceleration, it's safe to say that it needs plenty of range. Beemer meets that need with dual 270mm discs up front and a third in back with its proprietary ABS system as part of the standard equipment package. The 15-inch rims mount a 120/70 hoop up front and 160/60 out back for a sizable contact patch with a 63.4-inch wheelbase.